On a hot day, nothing beats a rich iced coffee. But if you use the day's leftover coffee poured over ice, you get a bitter, watery taste. Now, to get that strong, sweet, rich goodness, I turn to cold brew. You've heard about cold brew everywhere lately, and for good reason. It's delicious. To make a really good cold brew, you need to extract coffee in room temperature or cold water for at least 12 hours to get that full flavor. Hi, I'm Erica Boney. Brewing with room temperature or cold water slows the extraction and produces a sweeter, less acidic coffee than a hot brew. There's none of that bitterness that you get when you chill a hot brewed coffee. But seriously, who thinks of starting a cold brew the night before? When I want a cold brewed coffee, I want it now. And that's what's so amazing about this Gourmia cold brew coffee maker. The cold brew puts an end to weak or bitter cold brewed coffee once and for all. And it lets you cold brew your favorite coffee in a mind-chilling 4 minutes. The fastest cold brewer on the market, bar none. To make the perfect cold brew, I just add ground coffee into the coffee basket. Place the basket into the brewer and press down. Fit the top filter on and press all the way down and twist the lid clockwise to lock into place. Consulting the included brew guide, I select the desired brewing time and press the power button. Now, that's pretty much it. But let's say you want the coffee already chilled and don't want to wait for it to get cold in the fridge. With Gourmia's patent-pending chiller, you can cool your brew down to refrigerator temperature in minutes without diluting it one drop. Then, you can add ice or cold milk to your heart's content. This is one machine I'm going to have on my counter all summer long.
Introducing the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker. It's a smart coffee maker that can be controlled from your phone. Use your smartphone to start or pause your brew from anywhere. The scheduling feature allows you to set a pre-programmed routine so that your coffee is ready exactly how and when you want it every day. During the week, nice and early, and on the weekends, maybe a little later. You can even use your voice to control the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, brew coffee. The Atomi Smart Coffee Maker, the smarter way to have coffee.
The Be More Brewer offers remote access drip brewing like no other coffee maker before it. But if you're right there in your kitchen and just want to quickly start your coffee with the push of a button, that's easy too. Here's how to set up your Connected's Quick Start Brewing Profile preset so you can do just that. Start by opening the free Be More app. Tap the blue coffee cup that indicates you're connected to your Be More Connected brewer. Select Account at the top left of your screen and continue to select Quick Start. You will then be prompted to set your brew volume, the water brewing temperature, and pre-soak duration. Once finished, select Set at the top right of your screen. You'll receive a notification alerting you that your Quick Start selection has been set. Once set, you can manually begin a brew at any time simply by pressing the Start/Stop button on your Be More Connected brewer.
Enjoy the taste and aroma of coffee from fresh beans and milk with the new Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go. Create 5 delicious coffees such as a velvety cappuccino or latte macchiato at your fingertips. With the surprisingly intuitive touchscreen, easily adjust the aroma, strength and length of any coffee you brew with My Coffee Choice. The Latte Go milk system tops your latte macchiato with silky smooth milk froth. With only 2 parts and no tubes, our innovative Latte Go milk system is the fastest to clean milk system ever. Always brewed from fresh beans, our durable ceramic grinders ensure you can enjoy up to 20,000 cups of the finest coffee, revealing the perfect coffee temperature, aroma and crema thanks to the Aroma Extract system. And with the AquaClean filter, you will not have to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups. Philips 3200 Latte Go. Minimize the fuss, maximize the moment. Innovation anew. Philips.